K&J squad. Wanna deal it. Hope you have a wonderful Sunday morning thus far. You know, it's your anniversary morning. Don't know a thing go. You look left and right, look from across the road. Because we're on a mission in the morning. Yeah. See there? How this?
What's up, guys?
It's okay, I have some foam I cut out. See?
Some bouquets we make and the foam them done. So
Well,
let's take
done,
away
so
and
we
make
have to
fashion.
do a little thing, you see? So, today I go and do a thing in the early morning, you know? I'm going to big up on myself and journey with it throughout the day, you know? And you know it go. Anniversary settings. You know we can't go today.
Hey!
Today is my anniversary, you know. And then next year I fear I won't.
No, foot back more.
Alright, bro, then.
Don't know what is that, but your favorite.
Hey guys, so I don't know where they are. Go and do a thing, so I'm going to big up. They will check in back, you see it? Man, dad. Yeah guys, so I'm going now. Just done bust a sweat little while, brother. Them foam thing I can't have, so I know easy work, you know, my God. So, today. You know if you catch it early, I'll video them with the whole heap of foam them. So them go down to you. So this is the first version of them. See them? You can see them? See them there?
Yeah. You always tell me to flip the camera.
You can't bother. See the first version of them there. Then can now go try.
Now try. We'll get them.
Can go cut them out
and
make them more
perfect as possible.
Circular.
So I'm going to your phone now to make sure it's in the book.
Yeah, so
top notch.
any bride who watch this and know the struggle. To make sure so phone a day and phone thing proper. Yeah. Is it? And you know me I do my husband the duties, me I help her out cause when the money come in me get some. Yeah, people, me upon the scheme. Know a thing go. Our place, though. Yeah, when she finish with us, show them the end product. You get me? Before, and then the after.
So I sweat outside at put in the stick and others I take them. When I done show.
Yeah man, so telling you, you know, respect with us leaders. Because I tell you, jack of all trades.
Yo, I'm telling you guys. See before I start buy the foam on Amazon, you used to walk around, go over like quartz or singer and look for the foam them and take them and cut them out, you see it. But it's easier when you buy the ball them on Amazon, but some bride now when you work out a discount with them and thing, you have to go the cheaper route, which
this
cheaper route this, you see it. So yeah man, when you see the thing, I don't know it go.
Yeah, so I don't know people today. Sunday vibes. Is it? And don't know anything as I said earlier today, our anniversary seeing me, I was still at work, so I know it go.
Yeah.
Isn't it? So big up on yourself people. And let's go on easy. And let's go on bounce with it throughout the Sunday, isn't it? We might go somewhere, we might carry go somewhere later. We're not sure yet where we are go, but I don't know. We are carrying the same way. Is it?
Guys, so you finish brother, if you form them, I have 16 of them because 16 bouquet I have for do. So cut out 16 of them. Them not shape perfect yet, but I have to apply a little heat to just, you know, farm out the shape a little bit better. And then now I go to work at the ribbon and the angle and everything. See it? So I don't know the thing go.
Yeah, peeps. See there? Work never stop, you know. See there now? They may have potentially the handles. Is it? We have the handle and we have to go up on the bouquet down. See there? Some pipe. See me? So you see, say, a whole heap of work have to go in before the beautiful bridal party bouquets are made. You see the raw material them, see them there? Pipe, then they have the hanger.
See that? Me.
Then we have the foam with the floors them go pan.
Me have to go through all of this so we can do it at a cheaper price so we can get it cheaper.
More affordable.
Right? More affordable.
Yeah. That is the word.
I see it. So when you see the finished product, I can do a preview to make you see the process. It's an easy thing.
Watch Misty. She just one in her thing. Misty, go on. Misty. Misty. Show them to be obedient. Oi, sit. 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 Nice. Good girl. Good girl, Misty.
So, when we start assembling them now, put them together, assemble. When we start put them together now, sure.
Oh, the thing go.
Yes, guys. So we'll take a quick run down over grandmothers. Go get something. Mothers are the slowest in town. Oh gosh.
Yeah, what? What you want to get on?
A big burger meal.
I get a big burger meal.
Yeah, madness mothers go out with them. Yo, sometimes you come my mothers. Hold this. I don't really like them patty. I like them burger. I like the sauce so them put on it. Sometimes you come my mothers and I tell you them not have no lettuce, no tomato, no cheese, no bacon. Them only have the burger and the bread. And believe you me, say same price. I must sell something them for you not get no discount like because you them not have whatever make it a burger. Them still want to sell it for the same price. You know with a prayer, so I go buy a patty. And no buy no patty for me. They must say little girl love patty, so he head. Mommy, what you that do? What you that do? I go in now, I don't know, I'm not sure I have some ribbon and stuff to cut out and get myself started out for tomorrow and later as well because I go up on the road. I'm tired. I can't believe it's a weekend done already, guys. Where weekend run gone? Weekend coming like it never remember to come.
That's why I say every weekend forward. I don't remember seeing it.
Me hear about it, you know. Me hear about it from Friday. Me hear say it come, but me don't see it.
See that child, brother.
No see that all.
I sleep it out.
That me I say. Me doubt that. I'm tired. But if the weekend, yes, you sleep it out. If the weekend, if
I say come in and see it, so I only think that I can say I guess I sleep it out. That's
because look, if Friday for coming, you know, say if Saturday and Sunday missing, we not gonna know because we still have call the day we come after that Saturday and Sunday. So we don't know if the day missing though. I'm just an island boy.
Yeah, right.
Me hear that something going from over there. I'm just an island boy. Island boy.
I don't know what the hell.
Mr. Island boy.
No, okay, you have to take
Island boy. I see that while ago I move. I said, no, the brother your lip looks so. Guys, if you never believe I'm hungry, they don't believe no.
Yo, man, hungry till my lip them white like chop. Don't wait it there. Shut up. You don't know every food there, brother?
Ew, Jesus Christ. No, I can't feel baby. Say, manager turn on and look a while ago like.
Bamba.
They must feel baby. People them slow. When I go see how long, I remember say, I pause. I start back, my pause, I start back recording. I was still serving I drive through. That's something I mean.
Shut up. Grandmothers. So them name. Then slow.
Yo, if
like
you're hungry, please don't come to mother's because hungry will kill you. Waiting for the food. Yes, my beautiful people. So we'll just get through. Get the stuff them. And I head back home, I know. Where I go to try to go up on the one way. Jamaican people broke bad?
Yeah.
But they're not driving, they broke bad and me I drive.
Yeah,
so they can't me.
I'm going to do the
Nothing
right
to do
thing
with
like a
it.
while now. We're not going to drive down on the one way. That is it?
Me, so why you don't drive go down on the one way? I'm glad me that record, you know, say I lie. Guys, today you know I try put myself together for go up on the road and come back. So I just pull out my ear and do it so can't wait because June ain't ready yet. I'm not ready for you catch up my ear and I want it. Come I want it have the fuzz out at the end. And if I fuzz it out from now one breeze catch it, I go shrink up. No natural ear thing go. So clock in again after I'm ready and I leave out. Think Mr. want go Timber Lounge. In that Timber Lounge I will go over Buzzers. I don't remember over there's a name. But we updating upon the name. So maybe I go over there and then just left and go over Buzzers and go run up and down like a pitney. So we clocking back again, alright guys? Yes guys, so we're on our way to what their name again, Junior?
End zone.
Yeah, with the end zone. Pick end zone because somebody give me an idea. So when I do I try split the day in two. I think to know that work. But we're gonna just do something small today, something simple. And then next week, Saturday, we'll go up on the road again, but this time we are out at home. That's it. So they are going taking some of my AC and I can't go out the door at your fret. So you're going with Jay?
Yeah, you know. Reminisce about my wedding day. It's me how you stay here in style. If you know, you know.
Yeah. So it's why we are at the same hairstyle today. We catch him here in a one, him say more female, catch him in a one as well. So
Lie!
it's why we are at the same hairstyle.
Lie! Me catch up my ear. Me catch up my ear. And she follow me. And then I tell me about, hey, I'm the tool in your front like mine.
Him lie, but I never put them in your ear. Him lie like last week. No, sir. So guys, when time we reach end zone, we're not gonna back in.
Oh, but like you reach already.
So yes guys, we reach Upper Buzzards.
No matter.
Where?
Umbrella.
What is on catfish? On catfish? Eh? On catfish? Yeah. So yes, which side have I like about the end zone? So we have to end one side. But I like because I get locked down. So yes guys, we read. As you know, we can't really too have the audio in the background because of copyright and things, so most times I will be silent. guys, so we are going to go for both side and now we'll play to game. I don't know what we're going to play about.
Yeah, my time, my time.
This man in there, or maybe eat tonight. We're like, or am I eat? Or am I eat? We want to go for both sides.
Listen, everybody will know me. Know say I'm a kid at heart. Everybody know that.
But aren't we all just grow up? Nobody just get older and we have more responsibilities. But guys, we want to go up to concerts right now. You see it? They used to the downstairs and they move it and put it upstairs. Like, give me a step for walk, go on. So guys, we go for go on buses a while ago. And up there I'm like dance of the full. I can't hear what I say. Yeah, so I go on buses a while ago up there ram off. I don't want to go there, so I can't bother the crowd. That playing at the background, so I have to stop the video. Okay, I don't know the copyright thing already. But we decided saying we're gonna just go over Sunshine Mall over Sovereign and go buy some tutti frutti or something. So we'll just head out there. So guys, to be honest, guys, change our plans again. So this time we decided so we're going to Mother's because in a tutti frutti ram. Oh god, so much people up on the road. So we say we are going over Mother's. Go buy Sundays or something.
Yeah, Sunday.
Go buy a Sundays or some Sundays. And just go home and just enjoy the rest of the day together. I edit my video and put it up. You see it. And as me that say inside earlier, happy birthday Kiana, I couldn't hear me because of the whole heap of nice. But baby girl, I hope you have a blessed day and many more birthdays to come. But here me call the big woman baby girl.
Yeah boy.
Big woman.
Yeah, I don't know. So after when I see the vlog here, today it's a special day, no?
Yeah.
Today our anniversary, wedding anniversary. Because we celebrate 2 anniversaries a year time. You know, we celebrate how long we've been together, plus the wedding anniversary. So, you know, when sometimes we hear we say anniversary, like, what? Anniversary just gone. No. So we have to
together anniversary.
Yeah, so today our wedding anniversary, and today I'm a sister, the little sister, birthday. Yesterday I did my father's birthday, which is so the 13th of my father's birthday and the 14th of my sister's birthday. So you don't know anything. Go. Big up yourself, KK. If you watch a video, just leave a comment or give it a like. You see me?
Yes, so when we reach over Mother's, I want to reach home, we touch about base and wrap up the video. See guys, but I want to say thank you for watching the video this far. Thank you for enjoying the day with us, or spending the day with us.
Yeah, remember to like up the video them.
And yes guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe and share up the video them, alright? So
yeah, keep the channel growing, keep the family, make we extend the family some more. You see me?
yes.
K and J, what do I call them? K and J clan?
Yeah.
K and J. Well, we're gonna
kiss cake and juice. K and J, kiss cake and juice clan.
well, we're gonna Monica, you see me, so you know say you're part of the clan. We're gonna make up something and make sure say yo, we know say I eat that. You see me? So from when here we say that, we know say only we attack. You see me?
Yeah, kiss cake and juice.
Kiss cake and juice.
So guys, when we reach over Mother's are we'll reach over, we touch back base again. So along with the end of the line of Mother's, we're gonna have play a what do we call it? A carriage. So we don't kind of love that. Alright guys, so along with the end of the line of Mother's, me and Junior gonna just play some carriage.
They already know.
Yeah, but they might take long to survey anyway. So long me if you try to set up the phone on this thing when I have here.
What flavor ice cream you have?
Coconut, pistachio, strawberry, roman raisin.
More strawberry and roman raisin.
So, we can get Sunday, 2 Sunday morning, yeah?
Yeah.
One a strawberry and
Roman raisin.
roman raisin and one a coconut and roman raisin.
Alright, so make the games begin. Sure. Farmer.
Farmer.
Alright. Land.
Land.
Come over, little more. Yeah. How much?
How much? How much?
It's just a never.
Never. What?
This.
This?
Just this today. Say.
Say. Say.
I don't. Okay. Wake.
Awake? I don't know.
Wake.
Wake.
Walk.
Eh?
Ball out.
Cry.
Come tell me, go hurry up.
Yo.
Strong.
Chang.
Strong.
Yo, that game is crazy. But even know how much me get right, cause some of them something does
You scored 14.
crazy.
Alright,
Come,
my
quick,
turn.
quick, fast. A part of your choose?
Same thing, let's play again.
All of we.
All of us.
All of we. We who forget the patois.
All the way.
Machete.
Machete.
Whisper.
Whisper.
Piss pot.
Toilet.
No.
Piss pan.
No.
What do you call them again? Shit, I don't remember.
Donkey.
Donkey. Donkey.
Thump.
Punch.
A while.
A while.
That's crazy. What happened?
Wham. How much me get? Me score 7. So you score 14.
I don't know, because some of them when me skip.
The
go to
only
pass.
one me not get that. The only one me not get right was piss pot. Everything else me get right.
So much question. 1, 2, 3, and 7.
So you get more questions.
People, see me telling about grandmothers from morning. We need play all charade. You know,
We
drive
can
through.
get turns. We can go turns again.
I not get you
And we
yet.
still not get you.
Ja.
Can go turns again and still not get you.
But you
But
enjoy this
guys,
still.
yeah man, it was a blessed day. And for now, so we have along on the journey, we do make it extra special. You see it, so
Oh,
after all our running up and down and thing, we decide so we have for my mother's come get 2 Sundays. So
yeah.
I guess this one look like mine, I'm not really sure because the coconut,
Yeah, because supposed to
sometimes the coconut come in at the same pink like the strawberry.
Nah.
No, I never come in a coconut, no come in a pink.
You
It's
know
a
what
thing
kind
with
of
roman raisin.
I don't know what kind of pink coconut.
But buy one coconut one time and it was in, it come in at the pink like strawberry.
That is not a coconut. I don't know what kind of coconut coming in pink.
And not a coal.
Not a coconut. Right.
It was not a coal. So yes guys, thank
Round
you,
four,
thank
right
you.
time we reach, mama.
Why?
Line long gone round, so boy.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, come about 4 car back
And
again.
Mr. Cara Ben gone all the way around there. So guys, if we did ever come and see this line, I wouldn't stay neither.
Good thing I right time we reach. I right time we reach, people.
Because God know, why not put window? God knows say. If we come and see line stay, so we need to get no dessert. We need to get no dessert. So, yeah. So you cut me out. I'm going to say thank you guys for watching the video this far. Thank you for watching the video this far.
Alright.
And I think I go just go in and go sleep. Yes guys, we're home safely. Got our mothers and other romaries and get grape nut. Now look how long with the day wait. We still get foolishness. But the day was still a blessed day. And want to say thank you again for enjoying the day with us today. Even though yesterday we remember say today our anniversary because we got so much things going on. We never remember. The time the month run off so quickly as well. But thank you so much guys for journeying with us today. And remember to like, comment, subscribe and share up the video them. So you don't know a thing go. So I go and enjoy some ice cream and put on a movie and see how the night go. So sketch it again guys. Stay safe.